I'm gonna start getting the car ready for paint, which means getting everything out from under the hood that I possibly can. Let's get to it. Looks like there's some kind of aftermarket HID setup that was in here of some sort. I was able to get in there with a little ratcheting wrench. Okay, I had to work on this one a little bit off camera. Unlike the other one, I actually had to take it out without the motor. I think that the easiest way to get the whole piece out is to take out the air filter assembly, but I got it out, so we can move on to the next thing. Whoever installed these 99 spec lenses put these really crappy connectors on here, so I'm gonna have to redo those. Okay, here's how we left off. Got a pretty good start of taking apart the engine. Intake pipes and intercooler pipes are all gone. Battery tray's gone. And the headlights are gone. That's all I have time for today. We'll pick this back up tomorrow.